I'm Talyn, and today I'm going to show you how to find the line of best fit from a set of data points. So, first, you're going to press Stat, and then you're going to press Edit. So press Enter. This will allow you to enter your data points. So we're going to start with the X coordinates. So we're going to do 1, Enter, 2, Enter, 3, Enter, 3, Enter, 4, Enter, 5, Enter, 6, Enter. Now you're going to use the arrow button to move over to the L2 column so that you can enter your Y coordinates. And you're going to do 2, Enter, 5, Enter, 4, Enter, 6, Enter, 7, Enter, 8, Enter, 10, Enter. Now you're going to press Stat again, and you're going to use the arrow button to move to the Calc section. And you're going to go down, or you could just press 8 and hit Enter until you get to Calculate. And this is going to give you your line of best fit. So you're going to use this, and you're going to take it and you're going to plug it into the area where you can graph the equation. So in this case, we'll take y equals 0.97 plus 1.47x. Now, you are going to press second, y equals, and hit Enter because you want to make sure that you can also see your data points. So you're going to hit Enter so that plot 1 is on, and then you're going to go to Graph, and you'll see that your data points and your line will both be graphed. And that's how you find the line of best fit and the data points on one graph.